Chebyshev mechanism. It is approximate straight line mechanism as all the point not pass through a exit straight line. Middle point starting and ending means extreme point will be on a straight line. Chebyshev will be 4-bar link mechanism. Let us understand line diagram. Say base link, fixed link, OQ over here, and these are the other two link, and ultimately coupler, say A and B. Midpoint of A and B is P. Now P will be on a straight line, approximate straight line according to Chebyshev mechanism. Let us understand movement position. Now when BQ is moved, let's say anti-clockwise, then this point may be over here at some new position. Say this one is new position B dash. On same time A will be over here, so that is A dash, and P will be midpoint, that is P dash. So when this link will be moved like this, QB will be Q dash B dash, OA will be at OA dash, and this link will be like this, and AB will be vertical, so it is P dash. So in this Chebyshev mechanism, let us prove that how it is in straight line, at which value of this link, what is length of link, so that it will be on a straight line. For that we don't know dimension, but OA and BQ have a same length, so let us consider that, let's say OA equal to BQ have some X unit, and OQ is a Y unit, and let's consider AB is 1 unit. It is assumption only. We will prove that what do you mean by X value, Y value, like that. So when you consider triangle OQB dash, OQ and B dash, in this triangle, according to Pythagoras, we can write QB dash square hypotenuse square equal to OB dash square plus OQ square. So now what do you mean by OB dash? We don't know OB dash, but we can know that it is OA dash minus A dash B dash. OA dash minus A dash B dash. OA dash square plus, what do you mean by OQ? OQ, here is OQ, yes, this one is OQ. OQ, we assume that OQ equal to Y, so it is called Y square. And what is QB dash? Q and B dash, it is link. QB and QB dash both are same, so we assume this one is X, so it is X square. Now what do you mean by OA dash? OA dash and OA both are same, so X minus A dash B dash, AB and A dash B dash we assume 1 unit, so 1 square plus Y square equal to X square. Let us find value of X. So when you open bracket, so A square minus 2AB plus B square, X square is cancelled, so when you take X on this side, it is Y square, here it is plus 1 divided by 2, so 2x square on this side, so it become 2x equal to 1 plus Y square, so ultimately this one is equation. In same way, in triangle, let's consider this new position, vertical line over here intersect at C. So in this new triangle OAC, in triangle OAC, we can write Pythagoras theorem, OA square equal to AC square plus OC square. What do you mean by OA square? OA square is again A square, AC square. AC square will be same as P dash O plus, what do you mean by OC? OC we can write as OC square, we can write as a OC similar to AP dash, so OC will be equal to AP dash. Now what is meaning of P dash O? P dash O, I can write O A dash minus A dash P dash. P dash O, let me write over here. It is O A dash minus A dash P dash whole square plus AP dash. What do you mean by AP dash? It is PP dash plus AP. AP dash is AP plus PP dash. AP plus PP dash whole square. So OA dash and OA both are same, so that is X minus A dash P dash. A dash P dash is half of AB. AB we considered 1, so 1 half square plus AP. AP is again X plus PP dash. What is PP dash? PP dash, when you see over here, it is half of OQ, so it is OQ divided by 2 whole square. Then what is OQ? OQ we already assume it is Y unit, so it is ultimately Y square. Let us expand this. It is X square plus X square minus X, then plus 1 upon 4 plus over here it is X square AP. Sorry, AP is not X, AP is 1 upon 2. Instead of X, here it is 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 square 1 upon 4 plus 2AB means Y by 2, 2 is cancelled, plus Y square by 4. Now in simplification, X square is cancelled. When this X come over here, it is plus X, 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4 means 1 upon 2 plus Y upon 2 plus Y square by 4. So these are the two equations that we have. Now let us simplify these two equations. So on left side X is same, so from these two equations we can write Y square plus 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 plus Y by 2 plus Y square by 4. So here 2 will be cancelled and here 2 is remaining. So Y square again plus 1 is cancelled, equal to Y plus Y square by 2. So when Y square by 2 is come over here, so that is, so let us consider multiply with 2, so that is 2y square minus y square, it is y square minus 2y equal to 0. When you separate this, it is y is common, so y minus 2 equal to 0, then y equal to 0 and y equal to 2. But what happen if y equal to 0? Y equal to 0 means OQ equal to 0. If it is 0, then no forwarding mechanism, so this one is not possible. So y equal to 2. When you use this y equal to 2 in any one of this equation, so 2 square plus 1 means 4 plus 1, it is 5 by 2. 5 by 2 equal to 2.5. So x equal to 2.5. So likewise we can write that ratio of AB is to OQ is to OA. AB we assume 1 unit, we get OQ. OQ means y, it is 2 unit, and OA equal to x means 2.5 units. So this ratio, so Chebyshev mechanism is possible if this ratio. Suppose you want to make AB equal to 5 centimeter, then multiply with 5, so that will be your answer. So it is approximate straight line.